In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Bolt App 2026. To get started, open the App Store on your phone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store. And if you're using a supported Huawei device, open Huawei App Gallery. This is the safest and easiest way to install the app, since downloading from an official app store helps make sure you're getting the correct version. Once the store is open, tap the search bar and type in Bolt. As the results appear, take a moment to look carefully for the official Bolt app. This is important because search results can sometimes include unrelated apps with similar names. Make sure you're selecting the real Bolt application from the supported app store. After you've found the correct app, go ahead and install it. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get. And if prompted, confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, then just wait a few moments for the installation to complete. The exact download time may vary depending on your internet speed and device. When the app finishes installing, tap Open directly from the App Store or return to your home screen and tap the new Bolt icon. The app will launch and begin the first time setup process. Next, allow location access when prompted. This helps Bolt detect your pickup location more accurately, which is especially important when requesting a ride. You may also see other permission requests. Review them carefully and only enable the ones you're comfortable with. After that, create a new account or sign in if you already have one. You may be asked to enter your phone number or choose another available sign-in method. If Bolt asks you to verify your account, simply complete the verification process to continue. Once you're signed in, set up your profile by entering the required account information. If requested, you can also add or configure a payment method so your account is ready for booking rides without delays later. Before requesting your first ride, check that your pickup location is being detected correctly. If the map pin is slightly off, you can manually adjust the pickup point to make sure the driver can find you more easily. At this point, you're ready to use Bolt. Enter your destination, choose an available ride category, and review the estimated fare along with the pickup details. Once everything looks right, request your ride when you're ready. And that's how to install the Bolt app in 2026.